guys, and welcome back to Tips and Pips, and today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq 100, and we have seen a considerably bearish candle at the closing bell yesterday, which is fantastic, which poses a fantastic shorting opportunity. However, before I get into too much detail, if you haven't done so already, please feel free to join my Telegram group. It is completely free, where I share market research, analysis and trading signals and entries. You're more than welcome to give it a go, and if you don't like it, you're more than welcome to leave the group. As I mentioned, it is completely free of charge. You can join by scanning the QR code on your screen now, and you can also join by the link in the description of this video. This is a completely free service, and I just give it out just to share my knowledge with others, so feel free to check it out. Okay, in regards to the Nasdaq 100, what have we seen? We have seen a bearish candle. We did have the bank holiday on Thursday in the US, which caused a very, very boring Friday for the Nasdaq 100. But, I would consider this a potential rejection from our 200-day EMA and our 0.5 on the Fibonacci retracement, which is a key level in the 0.5 Fibonacci, along with the 0.6, which we see down here at around 10,600. And I have mentioned for quite some time, ever since we saw this very bullish candle, I do expect us to, consolidate around the 0.5 and 0.6 Fibonacci, as it's a fantastic discounted price for the Nasdaq 100. However, we have entered the last sector of the year, which November and December are incredibly bullish on the largest tech, on all American stocks and stocks in general. So if you just look at the S&P 500, a lot of the companies and the pool of companies within the Nasdaq, the S&P 500 are doing fantastically well, and that is the same as the Nasdaq 100. We have the top 100 tech stocks, a basket of the top 100 tech stocks, and they are all doing very well as consumers continue to purchase as Christmas approaches, and we had the Black Friday sales. So looking at this, if you were looking at this as a very bearish candle, I would completely agree, and I would see a fantastic shorting opportunity here. Whether you use to set targets as far as the 0.6, I'd say that's slightly too optimistic, especially in the market that we're in at the moment. We are within a recession. However, we are at a pivotal point in the year where consumers do buy a lot more than any other time of the year. It is also, the US elections coming up, and we saw last time when Donald Trump won, elected as presidency, the stock market rocketed. So these could be other things that do slightly drive the market. However, the inflation rate in the US was announced at 8.3, which is incredibly bad for the Nasdaq 100 investors, which is a fantastic shorting opportunity. However, with all of the mix of being the final quarter of the year, the final sector of the year, prices at a very discounted price at the Nasdaq 100 from its 17,000 price at its all-time highs, which is incredibly high, and a fantastic discounted price. I do expect to see some irregular movement in the Nasdaq 100. So if I was if I was an investor, I'd be seeing these as fantastic investment opportunities. But in regards to trading, I'm currently sitting on the sidelines until I get some more fundamentals and technicals line up. At the moment, they are starting to cross over, which is causing some uncertainty, and it's to me that becomes gambling, and I'm not here to gamble. I'm here to to win and make money.